Okay guys, so now I am changing my mind because I have makeup in the first drawer and in the third drawer, and it just doesn't make sense to me that makeup would be separated between electronics. So I pulled my electronic boxes out and I'm going to transfer my makeup into the second drawer, so I'll have makeup in second and the third drawer. So let me start cleaning. And here's a tip, guys. Sorry about this mask, guys. Carry on. If you're gonna clean, you might as well clean your face at the same time. So I actually have Peter Thomas Roth's black Irish mud mask on. And I spilled something in here, so this is not gonna come out. It's not makeup. I forget what it was, but it has stained my inside of my Alex dresser. Alright, so I'm gonna move my stuff from up here into the second one. In my first drawer, I am going to house all of my electronic equipment. So in these boxes, I have my electronics, which I like to keep in boxes because they're not shifting all over the place, and I'm able to kind of organize what is where. So this is the box that I have, and you can write the name down and Google it if you like. So in this box here, I have all my charging cords, all my aux cords, and I just like to keep them in here because it's like out of the way. And if I get new cords, I know where the cord box is. And this needs to go in there too. This is the cord to my sewing machine. In here, I just have a bunch of basically filming stuff. This is a 3-in-1 fisheye lens that you can put on your iPhone to get different looks from your phone, like the fisheye, wide angle, macro. And then this here, I think this is a mount for a GoPro. I just figured that out because I was actually looking into getting one. And then I have this little pouch here that I love. I purchased this from Amazon. And this is the pouch that houses all of my SD cards so they're not all over the place. And then I have some batteries for my lighting system, HDMI cord, and a filter. So these things will go in here. These two things will go in here because this is a part of filming. So I try to keep all my filming equipment together. So that goes there. And my Canon charger, as well as Canon battery, and my remote to my Canon T3i. Guys, please don't be afraid of my mask, okay? I know I look really crazy right now. Okay, so now this makes more sense to me. The first drawer is electronics. The second drawer is makeup. Third drawer is makeup. In here I have my Tom Ford sunglass pouch, and I keep some more of my sunglass pouches inside of here just so I can keep everything all together. This is my paper junk drawer, which I'm dreading to go through, but I am going to go through it very shortly because it is a mess. And then down here I just have, this was a cheap cell phone case that I purchased from Amazon. It fell apart, but I really like it because it's reflective and you can see yourself in it. So I keep it just in case I want to attach it to one of my other cases. Selfie! Down here I have more packing and shipping things for the business. And then the last drawer is just more packing and shipping stuff. So this is pretty much everything that I keep in my Alex dressers. These are separate Alex dressers, and I just stacked them on top of each other. I purchased this one first when I did my office makeover. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description box below. And the second one is from the as is section at Ikea, and I just purchased this not too long ago. It was $44 and some change. So I just figured to maximize space, I would stack them on top of each other.